Hi, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Juan Martinez. I am a data analyst, and in this video, we're going to solve an easy SQL problem. Okay, so this is the last one in our series, and we are going to use the SQLpractice.com website to solve this problem and to enhance our SQL skills. So the link of the website is going to be in the description down below. After we enter the website, we have to choose the hospital database in this area. And because we are going to work with hospital information, and we need to click on view all questions, and we need to choose the last one on the difficulty easy. So we choose the easy in the difficulty tab, and we go all the way down and we select the last one. After that, we need to get rid of this, so we select that and erase it, and we can start. So we first need to understand the question. So here the question says, based on the cities, sorry, I'm just going to move myself here. Okay, so it says, based on cities where our patient lives in, write a query to display the list of unique cities starting with a vowel A, E, I, O, U. Show the result order in ascending by city. Okay, so it could be confusing. I encourage you to solve it on your own first. If you are stuck, you can always come back to the video and we can do it together. So we have a table, the patients table, who has information about the patients, like the first name, last name, gender, etc. And also we have an expected output. So here only we see that we have a city column and the name of some cities. Also, if we click on get hint, we can get some hints like solution keywords. So we can use this one, select, where, like, and order by, to get an idea on how to approach this problem. And if we also click another time in get hint, we can get the solution portion. So this is going to show us like a bit of the code to solve this problem. But I just only suggest you to get the hints only if you don't know how to approach the problem or if you are stuck and cannot continue. But let's do it together now. So we have to understand the problem. This is the most important aspect of solving any SQL question. So he says, again, based on cities where our patient lives in, write a query to display the list of unique city starting with a vowel A, E, I, O, U. Show the result in ascending order by city. So it says select. We are going to begin by selecting the list of unique city, because it says write a query to display the list of unique city. So we need to select distinct city because we know that information about cities are in the city column. Also, we need to specify from which table. So we only have one table, the patients table, because city is inside this table. And okay, but if I only do this, it's going to show me the unique name of all the cities. But we only want the cities that start with the letter A, the letter E, the letter I, the letter O, or the letter U. So how are we going to do that? So we need the where clause to filter, and we need to say where city like, because we are working with the string data, so we know that city is as text. Here it says city text, and we need to only show the cities that start with one of these vowels. So if I only, for example, say this like A, is not going to display, is not displaying anything because there are no cities with only have a letter A in the name of the city. So to show the cities that begins with the letter A, we need to specify that it has to begin with the letter A, and we need to place a wildcard here, the percent sign, so that is going to tell us, or tell SQL, that we want those cities, okay, that have an A at the beginning of the text, and afterwards can have anything else, or as many characters as it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter the number of characters. We only care that it has A at the beginning, and after that it can has one other letter, two letters, spaces, numbers. We don't care. So if we run this query, just to show you, we can see that it shows those cities with start with the letter A. For example, Ajax, Ancaster, and Athens. Okay, so that's we have solved one issue, but we need also to show those cities with the start, which start with these other vowels. So to do that, we need to say or. Why or and not and, like we have done previously? Sorry, with city like. If we say and city, like for example A, okay, this is not going to work because it's going to tell SQL that we need cities that start with the letter A and at the same time that they start with the letter E. And that's not possible because either it starts with the letter A or it starts with the letter E. It cannot start with two vowels at the same time. So instead of using and, we need to use or. So in this case, it's showing cities which start with the letter A, or, because if we don't have any, or start with the letter A. So it's going to show both cities which start with the letter A and cities that start with the letter E. So for example, we have Ajax, Ancaster, Elmira, Athens, Edmonton, and Elmwood. So we have the cities that start with either these two vowels, but we need to specify three more vowels. So we say or. Okay, I'm having problems. Or city, like, and the I vowel and the wildcard, or city, like, O, the wildcard, or city, like, U. Okay, we have done that, and we can see if we run the query that we have only the cities which start with one of those vowels. But we are not done yet because also says and show the result in ascending order by city. So we have to order because we have, for example, here Orilla, Ajax, Ancaster, Oakville, Ottawa, but we need to show the results in an ascending order. For example, in alphabetical order, from A, and then E, and then I, O, and lastly U. So to do that, we need to use the order by clause, and we need to order by city because it says here order by city, and we need to say ascending because if we say descending order, you can see that first we have the letter U, and then the letter O, and then the letter I, etc. But we need the output to be in ascending order. So we say ASC, which is ascending, and we close the query. We can format it so that it looks nicer, and we can run the query and see if we got it correct. So we click on run, and indeed we got the query correct. You can see that we have here the output, this number, the name of the city in ascending order or in alphabetical order, and we have here the solution the website provided. So we can see that it is exactly the same as we have done it. So congrats, we have finished our SQL questions in the level easy. And if you find this video useful and interesting, don't forget to leave a comment down below, or also don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.